If you've ever watched an ad for a software or an app or a SaaS platform like Base 44, Wix, Canva, Figma, you probably noticed something. All their animations look very smooth, cinematic, and every decision, every action seems intentional. The animations make the product look cool. A button gets clicked and another UI elements reacts as the view rotates. All sorts of UI elements reacting to interactions to show what the software can do at a glance. So how do they do that? How do they create these animations? What most people don't realize is that this kind of animation does not need a huge team of people. It doesn't require Adobe After Effects or years of motion design experience. It requires knowing the right tool and the right approach that will allow you to create complex 2D animations very quickly. And that's the tool I'm going to teach you today. In this class, we're going to build one of those animations from scratch using a free 2D design and animation tool called Cavalry. Let me show you what we're going to make. To get you familiar with the tools Cavalry has to offer, we're going to start with a simple subscribe button. We're going to use Cavalry's native shape tools, and then we're going to add a notification icon, give it a drop shadow, and then animate a mouse cursor that travels along a curved path and clicks the button with a visual reaction that looks real. And then we'll move on to the next level where we're going to design two UI cards, a user profile card and a message card. And then we're going to design a news headline that looks like one of those CNBC or Bloomberg titles you see in their documentaries. And then we're going to animate the whole sequence. This is a relatively simple but elegant project that will introduce you to some of the most commonly used tools in Cavalry. Every technique builds on the one before it, and by the end, you will have a finished UI you can showcase to potential clients and the skills to create cool animations for your own SaaS or software product. My name is Ken, and I teach UI UX design, web design, and 3D modeling on Skillshare and YouTube. This is Cavalry for Beginners, the practical way. Are you ready? If you're ready, let's get into it.